Hello everyone, this video is made to pay tribute to our soldiers. As we know that our soldiers are true patriots for our country, for the motherland. Our soldiers heal a lot of problems so that we can live happily, we can live safely. They work as their protector. They serve their country so that their countrymen can live safely. They have to be constant in every condition, in every weather. They forget their choices because they don't think about their choices, they only think about their country. Just same, a personality was present among us, but unfortunately, he is no more. Sir Bipin Rawat. He was a great warrior, he is a great warrior, and he will be a great warrior. Here is a brief description about him. Sir Bipin Rawat was born on 16th of March 1958 at Pauri, Uttarakhand. He was an Indian Army officer who was 4-star General of Indian Army. He served as the first Chief Defence Staff for India from January until his death. As we know that he died in a helicopter crash. It was an accident, but it is so sad moment for us. We have lost a great fighter from our country. His spouse's name was Madhulika Rawat, who also died with him in that accident. It was so sad moment for us. In fact, it is and it will be sad moment for our country. Still, there are some person who is celebrating such type of accident. They are thinking that they are not part of our country, but they don't know that they are also a part of our country. And if any problem is coming in our country, they will also be a part of that problem. They are celebrating it as they have find something big. Just shame on you. If you are doing such a type of things, just shame on you. We have lost that freedom fighter, that fighter who can do anything for us. Within 63 years, Sir Bipin Rawat with his army had done a lot of things for our country, which can never be forgotten. And those persons who are doing such type of things, they are animals in the form of human beings, and that's why they are showing their animalism. Once again, shame on you if you are doing such type of things. Our soldiers are a true patriot for our country, and that can never be forgotten. A soldier is a true patriot of our country. A soldier is a single person who invites a lot of hardship, a lot of Herculean tasks so that we can live happily. Still, they don't name those tasks as tasks. They say that this is my work. And if we acquire 1/3 quality of them, definitely our whole task will not be a task. We name our whole work, our small work as a task. And they do a lot of Herculean tasks, still they don't name them as a task. They say that this is my work. I have made for serving my country. And for this, they expect a single thing from us, that is respect for them. Still we are unable to give. So try to respect soldiers. Don't try to demotivate them. And if we really want to give tribute to Sir Bipin Rawat, so a single way to give tribute to him, we must follow him. Even we cannot follow him, but we should try. And that will be a tribute to Sir Bipin Rawat. I don't have even a single word to explain about his sacrifices, because there's no vocabulary which can define him and his sacrifices. So I just want to deliver that try to follow him. Don't demotivate our soldiers. Try to encourage him. And those persons who are doing such type of things, shame on you. Once again, that's all.